Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaya, back with another video. So I have a new item to try here. I got this candy from the Pinewood location. We do have this candy at ours, but I didn't get it when I was at work. I did go to Walmart today. They said if I could get the breakfast ramen. They did not have it, so I will try the big one when I go to work tomorrow. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So we have the Warheads Sour Taffies. So this is the Warhead Sour Taffy. Alright, so let's try them. So the flavors in here are look like watermelon and green apple and blueberry. And there's 12 that come in here, so let's try them. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, so y'all can stay tuned for when I post. So yeah, so we have a green apple, we have a blue one, and we have, hold on, and we got the pink one. Oh, it's backwards. Alright, so let's give it a try, and we're gonna see how they taste. So I'm gonna try the watermelon one first. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, this how it look. They kind of remind me of like Now Laters, but like a little bit longer. These are not as sour as those the Jello candies that I tried. Alright, let's try the blue one. This one smells good. Alright, so let me show y'all this one. Alright. This reminds me of an egghead. Alright, green one. And I thought this was gonna be nasty, y'all, so that's why I didn't buy them. Alright. Show y'all this one. These are really good. I'm surprised, y'all. I really am. So yeah, y'all, these are really good. I'm actually surprised because normally Warhead candies be extremely sour, but these are actually good. I would give these 8 out of 10. So yeah, y'all go try them and let me know anything else y'all want me to try. I do plan to try the pot stickers from there, and what else? They got pop stickers and they got arrows, but I don't like arrows, so I won't be trying those. So yeah, stay tuned for the breakfast ramen video, because I got to get those whenever I find those. Stay tuned for the pot sticker videos. I'm gonna try to get those and try those for y'all. What else? I think that's it. Let me know if y'all want me to try anything else. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more of my videos, and follow me on all my social medias. It will be linked down below. Watch my other videos where I try stuff. I actually created a playlist. I will have that link down below. Also, yeah, I think that's it. Alright, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.